Hello guys, thank you for watching my video. This is Matsuyoshi. Hi, thank you. And today I am doing some maintenance of this Sekka Hinoki shohin trees. Okay, let's do it. To tell the truth, I have to do this in winter time or maybe in autumn, but I didn't do this, so I'm doing right now. Well, watch this. Oh, I'm sorry. When I do this, please watch this. Inside the tree, there's a very many brown leaves like that. Can you see? Here, yeah, brown leaves. So you keep having this in the trees, and the wind won't come to the trees, so inside will be very hot in the summertime, and the branch will be gone. So before getting hot, taking out these old leaves. These leaves are not brown, not because of the branch is dead or leaves dead. These are just old leaves. Old leaves going to dead in a year, and the new leaves will alive instead of them. So this is a normal thing that happened, but we can't leave it because, as I said, the inside will be too clouded, then wind don't come in and the light won't come in, then branch will be gone. So better take it out before having that problem. Okay, see? Can you see? This branch. This branch is already gone, so I took it. Okay. If you touch by your finger, these are already dried, so only shaking the branches with fingers and brown leaves will go. So it's okay to do this this time. This and trimming the dead branches too. Yes, like this. Do everything. Take out the old brown leaves or other tree and check the small branches inside, and it's already dead. Take out that too. Then tree will be more clean, and after that new one will grow, will be healthy and grow better. If you leave it doing nothing, just leave it as it is. Inside no wind, no light, and maybe there will be a bug or disease too. So better take that out. All things take that out. Okay, that's it. Just like that. Just like this. Okay, I think almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. Good. Look at the tree. Wait a minute. I will drop out these old leaves too. Okay. Cleaned. Now this is a tree. You can see you can see through the inside, and you can see my hand over there because inside will getting green. So wind is going through and light coming in, and will be better in the future. Yep, this is good. This is good. Okay, and this tree is not so. Wait for me. Okay, this tree is not so, leaves not so long, so I don't think I need to trim right now. But if the leaves are longer than this, in this timing, you can cut the leaves too. When you cut the leaves, cut here, cut like here. You can see it. There is leaves, and in the leaves, this one. There is a center, small branches, and there are leaves coming out from the branch, center small branch. Don't cut the leaf, but cut only a center branch, like this. Then the cutting part is only a whole of the branches, only a center part. See here? This is after cutting. This is after cutting. I cut only the center branch and didn't cut the leaves. Then wound is only this part, this small spot. So after the cutting part will be brown in maybe in a week later. And if you cut the leaves, all leaves turn to brown when you cut. So it's gonna be very dirty, and it looks not good. So be careful not to cut the branch, cut the leaves, but only cut the center of the branches. Then only this part get into brown, and it will be more beautiful. Do you understand that? So that's the way you cut. That's the way you cut. That's the way you do that. Okay, so thank you for watching. I am trimming, just trimming. Okay, thank you. Hey, thank you for watching today. And you like it? So if you like it, please subscribe and give me a like and share something. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.